Yo, what's up, YouTube? How's it going? I hope everything's doing well today. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what this market got going. Saying want to come down. I'm saying it want to go up. Let's see who's right and who's wrong. I'm right now. We're looking at Keep Network. This is a play I'm in right now. Sorry for all the. I wouldn't say mess because I need this mess, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull it up on a single screen real quick right here for y'all. All right. I'm in a IOTX2. I'll make a separate video for that one right now. But let's look at the daily real quick. I want to show y'all something. And so you see right here, this is what I'm playing right now. All right, so I had this in earlier, but it didn't hold like I wanted it to. Like it's good, it's holding good. See how it came under it? It stopped me out. Yes, I had a tight stop loss, so I had to buy back in it. I bought back in it though, you know. Soon as it stopped me out because I forgot I had that stop loss was the thing. But if you look right here, I haven't tried it yet, but let me see. Uh, all right. See that? That's something I want to kind of like not be worried about, but not be worried about because it's not really valid, but old lines still tend to work. So that could possibly be a resistance line right there now. If I look at it in like littler time frames, it was already dipping. You kind of see right here. See the line it's using as resistance. So yeah, even though it passed through it. So yeah, that you see it still working, doing what it does. Man, I hope I don't have a lot of background noise here. Got the sink running, got the chicken going. Kid over there watching that Darman video. I like those videos. Y'all should watch them. Look them up. Real life inspiring videos. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this and put this down here and see what's stopping it from going up. And look at that 35.88 stopping it from going up. So if we get past and close on top, you see it hasn't closed right here in these few. You see we're coming right here, so anywhere from here. See it closed on top of there, boom, came up. It needs to close on top of 35.88 for us to make that move higher to 36.26. And then when that happens, the 20 SMA will start to come up and this will start to come up, and as this one comes up and pushes through the 200 SMA and the 20 SMA comes through and push up through the 200 SMA and then hopefully through that 50 SMA, that's gonna send this going. It's I say about 40 cents. So back to the dailies, back to the daily high is what I'm hoping for. That's what I'm expecting. That's my play for this one. And so you want to play it, and you know what I'm saying? Right now wouldn't be a bad time to get in as all the SMAs are, as the lowest SMAs on the bottom getting ready to start coming up on top, you know? And then on the daily, what we're looking for is, look how small that is. Go red right now if it wants to. Like, it's disappeared. It's about 1 hour and 30 minutes to the next day. I might end up closing it on the close. I'm about to close 50% of it, and I'm gonna set my stop loss at break even because if this closes under here, there's a chance that it might just keep going down. And then if it does keep going down, my target's gonna be at 32.76 for the double bottom right here. That's what that's gonna be. So that's just my opinion on this, and that's what I'm doing based off the lines and my technical analysis. So yeah, do what you want with it, but that's what I got for you over here. So good luck. And as you can see, it ends up back on top. ends up back on top, ends up back on top, ends up back on top. We're gonna see what happens right here. Got an hour, so never know. It could be one of them pumps, the major pumps. Doop, 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 close. Doop, 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 doop. You know, that's what I'm hoping for, is that we go up and go on top of this line, and if we go on top of this diagonal line and close on top of that at least, or come up here to the 6-6 and close on top of that 37-cent area, if we close up there, we're good to go higher. Because this will skip over here, and then it'll come in. It just got a little less area to play with. That's really why I kind of want to stay in, because once it scoots over, I could set my stop loss under the. My stop loss will still be good. I could set it up a little higher, so now I'll be in profits if it can scoot over but go up a little bit. So yeah. Have a good day. That's what I got on Keep. I hope y'all watched the video. Put it on ×2. Should have told y'all at the beginning. Put it on ×2. You know what I'm saying on my videos. If you want to hurry up and get through them.